What's up, guys? As you guys all know, we have a race car, a 1000 horsepower BMW E92, and let's swap and go out racing. But today I want to show you guys how to polish your car and how to upkeep your car, or if you do it for a business, I will show you how to do it. You can do it on your race cars, because everybody, we all have to go to the car shows, and I will show you guys how to polish it, ceramic coat it. This could be as a new car prep. I did this car for a new car prep, but you can also do it on the car with lots of miles. This will all work the same thing. Let's go, guys. Alright, and we got a brand new Porsche today. This was the result. Stay tuned until the end of the video how to do it and how much you can charge for this kind of job. Alright, so you gotta wash the car and clay bar. I'm not gonna show you guys how to wash the car. You guys all know how to wash the car. Just do the same wash as you always do and use a clay bar. Doesn't matter what kind of clay bar you use. I'm using this kind of clay bar. Then you need the DA pads and Rupes polishing or any other DA. Get some Walmart towels. These are nice ones that I found. And then tape the whole thing, all the plastic, because it will get super white if you're gonna touch it with your polish pad. So it's gonna be really hard to remove it after.
Music licensing reimagined.
Then you wipe it down and you check with any kind of lightning. Make sure it's perfect. If it's not perfect, you gotta go do it again. Just do as much as you can until it's really good, until you're happy. And then repeat this process on the whole car. This time is a Porsche, but you can do it on a BMW or Civic or any other car. Just repeat this process. And look at the difference between non-polished area. This was a low miles car, but it has already scratches. It's pretty much brand new car. Just look how clean it looks. Also, you gotta do all the headlights, taillights, all the trim, whichever you can polish, you should polish. And make it look super clean. Look how shiny it starts to look, guys. Enjoy this process. Then remove all the tape from the car. Then I got bored, so I went to my neighbor and tried to do some fireworks. And then I took my 1000 horsepower Alessio BMW and gave my neighbor a ride. I was still tired, so I went to grab some coffee.
Damn, that's good.
If you got compressed air, blow out the whole car and then wipe down with alcohol, or and this time I'm using 3D wipe down. You can use any kind of alcohol, 50-50 more. Wipe it down real nice, the whole car, make it look super clean, and prepare for the ceramic coating to bond. You remove all the oils pretty much. The ceramic coating, your applicator pad, and 2 towels in one pocket and another one in the other pocket. You open the bottle, of course. You apply one side ceramic coating, just like that, nice and a lot. And do the whole hood at the same time, because if you do half the hood, I've seen some issues happening because some area will dry more and then I can see a difference. So just do the whole panel at a time. Door, hood, whatever. Then you take the first towel and you start to wipe it down, and you keep the second one in the pocket. When you wipe down half of the hood, you put the first towel in the pocket, you take the second towel and you go over the whole area again. Even though you just wipe it down, but this is how you're gonna make sure you're not gonna leave no streaks or anything like that.
Artlist.io.
Then I ceramic coated the plastic with the same coating I was using for the paint because I tried it before and it was shiny for over a year. So not all coatings do that, but this one does. Make sure yours is good. Next day, I'm gonna go over with reload, just in case it rains outside because it's kind of started to rain. Of course, it started raining just like I thought. So I went to the shop and start cleaning all the polishing compound dust, all the dust. I applied the tire shine everywhere on the whole, all 4 tires, make it look super clean. This makes it look really, really nice. It's like a little last touch. Then I open up every door, hood, trunk, and I start cleaning between the door jambs, all the plastics, everything, whatever I touched with the polisher. You gotta clean all the dust. This step is really important. Take your time because this step really makes it a professional, even though you guys still learning. But if you do this, the car starts to look super, super clean. This is what I do with every car. Customers has been super, super happy. Clean out everywhere. Between doors, trunk, even between taillights and headlights, between those little areas, inside fuel tank area, everywhere.
Stay till the morning.
Artlist.io.
You know I go on and on, 'cause you're too important. I'm honest, too honest. Know if you touch me, I'm gone. Just say the word and I'll give you all I can. Don't act like this ain't a good time.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's been like this for a while. I gave you all my life. Stay till the sunrise when it's only us. Oh, let's be for real. Now you're scared to fall in love, but I want you still. I could put in all the work. I'll keep you from hurting. Baby, I'll always be here.
Artlist.io.
I want you still.
I love you all. Watch my other racing videos. I'm gonna tag right here and subscribe. Thank you.